Hey dolls, so I am back and I'm coming to do a quick video on this hair because I have had it installed for almost a week now and it's starting to slide, so I wanted to do the video. I have my glasses on, sorry. This is the box that the hair came in. So this hair is from Dsoar Hair, dsoarhair.com. So this is the box and everything. They did send these really nice lashes. These are mink eyelashes and that's how they look. So that was a nice gift because a lot of times the lashes that come with like bundles and stuff is not lashes that I would use, but these are really cute. I will use these. So it also had this slip in here that tells me what kind of hair I have, which is A1 for me because I hate having to pull it up on my email. So this hair is the Peruvian natural wave hair, a 26, 26, 24, and a 22 with a 20-inch frontal. So to install this hair, I actually did use my Ghost Bond. This is the second time I used it. The first time I did it, I tried it for like a day and I took it off. And then this time I've been wearing it for like almost a week. Like I said, I still don't love this method. I think I kind of like my Gorilla Snot gel better because it is pushing back. I don't know if it's because on this side it might still be kind of laid, but I don't know if it's because I only did like 2 layers, but it's not really staying where it should stay, and it's like really sticky on this side because it has pushed back quite a bit. So I know I'm not going to keep it on too much longer. I'll go ahead and probably redo the install if I want to keep it in, but I love the natural wave on this hair. Whenever I first installed this hair, I did want to wear it curled. So what I actually did, I didn't have time to flat iron all of the hair out, so I did just one curl it with its natural wave, and the hair had not been previously washed or anything like that, and the hair took a curl really nice. It looked really pretty. I will insert a picture. After that, the hair frizzed up a lot because I was outside and it was super humid. So I ended up wetting the hair down the next day and I started to get this type of look with the hair. The frontal is a little bit curlier than this hair. I feel like it has dropped a little bit more now, but at first it was a lot curlier than the actual bundles, and I don't know if it's just because of the heat that I put on the hair, but I think this hair still looks really pretty to say I put heat on it. And this is like packaging from bundles that I used, and then this was what I had left from the 22-inch. So you guys can see how the hair comes as far as the curl pattern. So this is the wave of the hair naturally, and then this is how it looks once I wet it down and everything. And on this hair, all I did was wet it, use a little bit of leave-in conditioner and also a mousse just to really hold it together and it won't frizz up or anything. But this hair is super easy because I can literally just spread a little bit or wet it under the sink a bit, put some mousse, and I do also scrunch it. I scrunch it a lot because whenever you wet it and you brush it out, it's gonna look like the hair is pretty much straight, but you want to just scrunch it up and you will get these really nice waves once the hair actually air dries. And I think it's really easy for like work or just like hot days, like summer days, like how it is now. So yeah, really nice. And the frontal looks really nice as well. For this frontal, I did leave the bleach on for a really long time though, probably almost like 45 minutes to an hour. And it picked up really nice. It did not over bleach at all, but I feel like it takes a longer time to process. So I don't know if it was just mine, but you know, you may want to just keep checking it, which is what I did. But I ended up leaving it on for almost like an hour or so. But yeah, this is the hair that I have left over. So I had quite a bit left, probably a good half of a bundle. And this is how the waves look. So yeah, the hair is really nice. It does kind of have a smell to it at first, but I feel like the hair kind of airs out by itself. And sometimes whenever I wet it, I can kind of smell like a funny little smell to it. But once it's dry, I don't smell it anymore. And I guess since I've been like putting on perfume and stuff, the smell has kind of went away. So yeah, after I went from curling this hair to wearing it like this, I did kind of wash it a bit, but that was it. Other than that, I just been wetting it down and putting the product in. It's very full and very nice, but it's not too full. I have 4 bundles and a frontal. Whenever you wear this hair curled, it's gonna look really full and thick. more so than it does whenever you just wet it and wear it like this. I find that it looks more tamed and defined and everything, but the curls are really nice. It kind of gives you like a one curl type of look, but like a loose one curl that you've had in for a while. So it's actually really, really pretty. I really like that, and I haven't had any issues with this hair as far as like tangling or anything. The hair was wet, like I said, so since it's kind of like a wavy curly type hair, the curls kind of lock together, but I don't have a problem with it like being super tangled up or anything. It's just a little harder to run my fingers through because the curls are locked together. So yeah, I really like this hair. I can't think of anything bad to say at all. I've already worked with them before and reviewed hair, so I will link that video down below if you want to see the other hair that I had from them previously. But yeah, Dsoar Hair is really nice. The ends are really full also. I didn't have to trim anything off because a lot of the hair that I have been getting lately, it seems like the bundles are thinner or the ends are thin or something. I'm gonna stand up and show you dolls how the hair falls. Here it is. It comes like past my hips, and this is the back. So if y'all can see, it comes like kind of midway to my butt. And today is actually the 4th of July. I didn't do an update video on what's been going on and where I've been. All of the other videos that I posted previously or maybe after this, it just depends, were previously recorded. But yeah, so I don't know if I want to do an update. You guys know I'm pretty private, but you can check my Instagram to kind of know some of the stuff I've been dealing with. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.